Greetings, fellow traders. Baldwin here to have the daily market wrap for Tuesday, November the 9th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to read this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see we left off the market here today. So SPX, guys, down about 16 points here. Weekly chart, inside week here. Again, like we said, we cautioned about a couple of these levels right here being over the upper Bollinger Band, being overbought here on the RSI and the weekly chart. Daily chart with the inside day down. We also had some gamma expansion that we discovered this morning, so we weren't surprised to see a little bit of a larger move. And again, it is possible that there is more to this this wave C than meets the eye, right? So this could actually be a wave 1 down, this could be a wave 2, and we could see a larger wave A. Otherwise, if this is done, right, then that's wave A, and then we'll see wave B, and then we should see a larger wave C. So it should be interesting tracking over the next couple days. Let's take a look at SPY. So SPY, again, obviously very similar right here. Inside day down over the 80 MA. Volume really wasn't quite there today, so not really too exciting there. But let's take the S&P futures. We did have some volume in here today. In this area at the open off of this drop. So that's what kind of told us the sellers were in control, right? Look at that, 62,000 contracts on the 5-minute chart here today. There's a little bit here at the end of the day. It's kind of usual shenanigans, 51,000, but other than that, just basically down and sideways for the rest, for the majority of the day. MES, kind of a triangular range. It looks like it tried to break out of one of the geometric lines here today. As you can kind of see this right here. A little bit of geometric breakout, but then we're back off of it, right? So we're going to keep an eye on this going into this evening, right? And you can see here we're basically just triangulating going into the night. So so we'll see how that goes here in the overnight session. So let's take a look at the triple Qs, not the double. Okay, not the single Qs. Goodness gracious. There we go. So Qs again down, got below its gamma flip level, continue to work its way down here today, just kind of grindy. IWM, nice choppy action, still held its geometric line for the majority of the day. XLF. Decent bounce at the end of the day, but basically kind of right where it started. VIX. Important that it's kind of in these higher levels right here. We'd like to have seen it close over the 18 level, but we'll see how that goes going into tomorrow. It could still perk up going overnight. And we've got some tools that we use in our group that kind of keyed us into staying cautious throughout the day, and basically what we warned our folks about going into today. So Apple getting really tight here, guys. We did tag below the inside day, but it doesn't mean it's not still super duper tight. Right at the 80 MA, so you got a teeny little bounce off of that one, but not really too much. And then of course you got Tesla. So Tesla got crushed here today, guys. Big down move. So Elon, selling his stock and then continue to work its way down. A huge option activity on the 1,000 puts, and not really too far away from there. So I wouldn't be surprised if we actually tag that going into tomorrow. Any strength below there, or weakness, however you want to call it. Open gap, big open gap right here in the 50-day moving average just below that. So keep an eye on that for Tesla after its recent parabolic move. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, again, fresh all-time highs. We called that yesterday at the market wrap, so now we'll just kind of see what it's setting up intraday. We'll look at it in the bubble report tomorrow morning. AMD, not quite dark cloud cover candle, but still a little bit interesting, right? LSID, dark cloud cover on this one, so that's interesting going into tomorrow. FCell. Inside day, it ended up holding the 50-day moving average, so not too bad there. PayPal, after earnings, down, crushed, still holding $200, but we'll see how it holds that level over the next couple days. SPCE gave us a nice intraday move. I tweeted that a little bit earlier. Roblox, strong, guys, fresh all-time highs. Keep an eye on it, see if it breaks over today's highs going into tomorrow, and then might see a trade off of that. And then Coin reported after hours here. Red candle on the day, and then down here so far for earnings. So we'll see how that goes going into tomorrow morning. Anyway, guys, that's stuff that's on our radar, and we'll update it more in the bubble report tomorrow morning. Until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game, and we'll talk to you guys soon.